इस राष्ट्रीय अभियान में शिक्षकों की महती भूमिका को रेखांकित करने के लिए अब मैं आमंत्रित कर रहा हूं भारतीय बैडमिंटन टीम के मुख्य कोच पुलेला गोपीचंद जी को। पद्मश्री, पद्म भूषण और द्रोणाचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित पुलेला गोपीचंद जी यूं तो किसी परिचय के मोहताज नहीं हैं, फिर भी उनके सम्मान में मैं चंद पंक्तियां अवश्य कहूंगा। ऐश्वर्यस्य विभूषणं सुजनता शौर्यस्य वाक् संयमो। ऐश्वर्यस्य विभूषणं सुजनता शौर्यस्य वाक् संयमो। ज्ञानस्योपशमः श्रुतस्य विनयो वित्तस्य पात्रे व्ययः। अक्रोधः तपसः क्षमा प्रवृत्ति धर्मस्य निर्व्याजता। सर्वेषामपि सर्वकारणमिदं शीलं परं भूषणम्। आदरणीय पुलेला गोपीचंद जी, आपका हम सब करतल ध्वनि से स्वागत करना चाहते हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि पुलेला गोपीचंद जी के लिए करतल ध्वनि से स्वागत करें।
थैंक यू वेरी मच नकू जी और डिस्टिंग्विश्ड डिग्निटरीज। ये बहुत अच्छा लगा कि इस इनिशिएटिव में इतनी अच्छी फंक्शन में हमें बुलाया गया। मुझे बहुत खुशी की बात है कि आज इस बारे में इतना श्रद्धा से सभी लोग देख रहे हैं। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे देश में अगर बदलाव होना है तो हमें शिक्षकों पे ध्यान देने की आवश्यकता है। माफ करना, मेरी हिंदी इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, बट आई विल स्टिल ट्राई एंड स्पीक इन हिंदी। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमारा देश अगर बदलना है तो हमें एक जनरेशन टीचर्स को ट्रेन करना है जो अपना काम अच्छा करें और उसी से अपना देश पूरा बदलेगा। ऐसे मेरी एक बड़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग विश्वास है। मैं समझता हूं कि ये जो बात आपने आज कही है ये बहुत ही मूल्यवान है। इसके लिए मैं ये कहूंगा कि हमें सोचना चाहिए कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं। आज के तारीख में हमारे अगर प्रोड्यूस को देखें तो वो भी जो अच्छे हमारे हैबिट्स थे वो सभी हम धीरे धीरे गंवा चुके हैं और हम नए नए जो मार्केटिंग प्रोडक्ट्स है, मैं अगर इफ आई कैन गिव एन एग्जांपल, आई ऑलवेज फील कि व्हेन आई वाज यंग इट वाज आई was very unfortunate to listen to the scientific advice of the day, which was basically better marketed by people who actually told me that say ghee is bad or our traditional foods are bad, our traditional ways of brushing our teeth or cleaning our tongue is bad, and they gave us stuff which was actually pretty bad. We were actually eating chocolates and drinking colas and sugary drinks, thinking that these were all healthy. It came to a point where at the end of my career, I was actually close to being pre-diabetic because I had actually listened to the nutritional advice of the day. I would really urge all of our scientific team, our doctors also, to look at our traditional wisdom with a lot more keenness, not to trust Western policies regarding nutrition because they have always been changing. Today we talk about fasting as important. The same thing we were told in our day and age that this was bad. We've been taught about the benefits of breakfast because a certain company wanted to promote it. We were taught about the great foods of apple a day or the kiwi, the great foods, but our own foods of guava and lemon and amla were neglected because our foods are not able to be preserved so easily. So whatever is able to be marketed well is what is being looked at as important, and whatever is not being able to be marketed well is actually looked at as being not so profitable. This is percolated all along. Now, sweetness of a fruit is more important than the nutrition. I do believe that when we look at things, and this is where I think children, it's very important. When they look at food, they should say health versus taste, and they should pick it for health. If they look at clothes, it should be for comfort versus fashion. They should pick it for comfort. So like this, some of these basic aspects of our life need to change. And I believe it's very, very important that we take these things up at an early age. It's also very important that as a society, we need to relook at whatever is marketed, because and how we fight it, because a program like this is amazing, but think of what we are getting across, because I see the television and I see us actually looking at cola drinks. I look at packaged stuff being promoted by a lot of celebrities who personally I'm sure 100% would never eat those things, but they're promoting so much so that the person who is actually in the village is actually thinking that the food available in the packet is, or the bottle is much better than the nariyal pani which you get, or the fresh food which is available. So I believe it's very, very important that this knowledge is percolated more and more. And also this becomes a norm for us in a country, because what we have as a tradition has always been very good. We are getting away from it because of the marketing of food products and marketing of global products coming to our country. I do believe that there's a lot which needs to be done. And in our country, this approach of targeting teachers, thereby affecting people, I believe is the biggest help we can do. And this program to felicitate teachers and to actually bring up their role in society is very, very important, because I do believe very, very strongly that unless good people come into the teaching profession and teachers are respected in the society, we will not be able to make any sustainable change in this, in our country or anywhere in the world. I wish the entire program all the very best. I'm so very happy to see such a kind of an initiative, and I truly wish the very best for this initiative. Thank you very much.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एवं आभार गुरु गोपी जी। आप हमारे जैसे तमाम भारतीयों के, लाखों करोड़ों भारतीयों के प्रेरणा स्रोत हैं, और आपके द्वारा कहे गए एक एक शब्द हम सब के लिए बहुत मूल्यवान है। एक बार फिर से आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा।